Hey everyone, welcome to the day 2 on 15 days of JavaScript challenge. This was an amazing day for me, and today I have practiced basic to intermediate level topics in JavaScript. And watch this video till the end and you will get to know what are the topics that I'm practicing and what are the important topics that I have practiced. I have listed some topics that you need in order to prepare for interviews. If you want to join this contest or this challenge, then you can check out this GitHub repository, and I have added all the links inside that repository. Link for this repository is in the description. You can just go and check it out. So let's start with the topics that I've covered today. First, the functions. Functions are the most important topics for every programming language, like every programmer. How we create function, how we pass the values in the function, what are callback functions, and what is arrow function. Like I have practiced it. It is a ES6 concept, but I have practiced it today because in order to create like callbacks, we can use that function in our future videos and future topics. So you can see that I've wrote some code, and I move to our second topic. So guys, I cannot explain every topic in detail because I'm just making videos on what I'm learning throughout these 15 days. So if you want to learn, I have shared resources in that GitHub repository and in the description. So you can just go and check it. So moving to our second topic, which is arrays. So what is array? How we create array? How we find the index and what is index? How we calculate the length of an array? What are the largest element? That question I have solved today. I have solved the problem. What is the largest element of an array, and I have shared the approach here. I will comment the approach and how we create array. What are the methods that we apply, like callback methods we apply on array. We have forEach, we have map, we have filter, we have reduce, we have find. There are a lot of methods that over on array that we can apply, but I have covered here like 2 or 3 methods maybe. I've added the forEach method. It will not return anything. This method does not return anything. It just used to print the elements of an array. After that, we have covered the map function. Map will return an array, create an array, but it will not change anything in the original array. It will create a new array. After that, the filter function. Filter function creates a new array with the element, the test that you have passed, to the filter function. It will create customized, and if the elements satisfy that condition, it will create a new array with those elements only, and it will return that new array. After that, we have a find function. So we can apply a callback function to it and like return the value that satisfies the condition. After that, we have moved to the very important like concept, or you can say it is a whole series of DOM manipulation, DOM, document object model in JavaScript. We have started with DOM. We have not covered a lot, but we have just started. So I have created an HTML file for that. So in this HTML file, I have written some basic tags, div, button, h1, and I'm manipulating this file using JavaScript, using document object model. How can we find elements in our HTML and manipulate it through DOM? So here I have covered the document query selector, how we select a query, and we have also a query selector all, from where we can select all the queries that satisfy that name. After that, we have inner HTML. We can manipulate, we can change the tag inside element, creating element using JavaScript. So here I have created an element. I have div tag. So like name1.inner HTML, inside that name1, I have added a h1 tag, some class name. I have added some class name and append that name1 to our div. Or which div is this? This is the div that we have already accessed through query selector. So this is like basic idea of DOM manipulation. I have not covered a lot. This is just basics of DOM. So just quickly, I will show you demo of this DOM manipulation. So here, like you can see, firstly, I have accessed this document object model div, and I have printed the body. So this is the body, whole body, what body contains, like basics of DOM. After that, query selector, div, and I have printed that div through inner HTML. Like all the tags inside that div will be there. After that, I have printed the inner text inside that div. So text is this, which is present, and this is I have been sent through DOM. You can see that I have been sent through DOM. I have not created any element for that, but I am inserting it through JavaScript. So like I have used DOM to create that. In the next video, what is button, how we apply callback functions to button, on click listeners, event listeners. So all the details that we'll be practicing in the next videos. So that's all about day 2. I hope you found some important topics. So see you in the day 3 of 15 days of JavaScript challenge. Till then, bye bye. Take care.